Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my origami motorcycle. Here it is. So please check out my other video as well, and please consider subscribing. So yeah, first you need a square sheet of paper like so, and you want to start out with a boat base or the pinwheel base thing. So you want to fold it in half like so, and you want to unfold that, then fold the other side in half like that, and then you want to bring these two edges to that center line like so, and the other side like that, and then you want to bring this edge and this edge to that center line right there. Okay, and same thing on the other side. Okay, and then you're gonna open up this pocket right here, and you see this crease line right there. You want to bring it right up to this edge. Okay, so you see the square right here. You want to fold that diagonally in half. So bring this edge out to the side. Okay, and fold that down. And then you're going to do the same thing here. So you see this crease line, bring it right out to this edge, folding this square diagonally in half. Okay. And fold that down. Okay, and then you're gonna, of course, do the same thing on the other side. So open up this pocket and bring this edge here right onto that outside edge, folding that square in half. Okay, then same thing here, open up this pocket, this edge to the outside edge. Okay. Okay, then you should have something like this, and now you want to turn it over to the back side, and then you want to fold this two edge right here down to the center crease line. Okay, like so, and bring the other side over. Okay, like so. Then you want to turn it over to this side, and now you see the bottom points right here, this flaps. You want to fold them down like so. Okay, so if you look on this side, there'll be this edge right here. Just lean against this edge, or bring this edge down to this crease line right here. Okay, of course, these are the wheels. Okay, so you should have something like this, and then you're gonna open up this pocket, then fold that down, kind of uneven. Okay, same thing on this side. So open up this pocket and fold that down. Okay, and now you're going to fold this up. So right where this crease line is, as you can see. Okay, so open up this whole model right around there and lift this whole thing up. And don't pass that crease line right here. Okay, right on that crease line. So this edge should start on the bottom crease line. So this should be kind of in front like that. Okay, and kind of tilt it back. Like so. And now you're gonna make, I don't know the term for it, sorry, but the back of the seat. So you're gonna just zigzag fold right there, okay? Right around there, then fold it back down, and kind of fold this in half, almost, to that point. So you might wanna lift this up a little bit, and fold it onto that point. Okay, so it's not exactly in half, but I guess in thirds. And just fold it right onto this point there. Okay, so it should look like this. And then you can decorate it. You can fold it as you like here. You know what I mean? Okay. And then you're going to zigzag fold right around the middle. Okay, so fold this back. So, and fold it back forward. Like so. And turn to the back side. And you see this is the front of the motorcycle. And you see this pocket right here. You're going to open up that pocket and bring this edge down, okay? So there will be this kind of that rise right there. So open up this pocket and fold this edge down, okay? And turn to the front. And then you're going to kind of dent in right here. Of course, this is the seat. So kind of round this edge out. Okay. And maybe, yeah. And of course, that's the seat right there. And then you're going to fold in, see the square, you're going to fold in all the corners to round out the wheels, of course. Then if you like, you can again round out these corners, okay? And then the back also. Okay, so now the front wheel, you're gonna hide it in the back, and the back wheel you're gonna bring it to the front because the front wheel is kind of hidden and the back wheel is like kind of exposed more. Okay, so you're gonna zigzag fold right here. So kind of fold this back and forward again, like that. And right here as well. So fold this back and zigzag forward zigzag folded back forward, okay, in a tilt, like so. And now you see this part right here, you're going to zigzag fold it down, so on right from the middle to the front, of course. Gonna bring this down a little bit, okay, as you can see, and fold this corner and make a little dent right there. Okay, and kind of round this out a little bit. So yeah, here's my origami motorcycle. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.